Good morning, everybody. I should speak about HCV elimination in France, and the main message is that HCV elimination by 2030 is my conflicts of interest. And I will not go into the detail of the WHO elimination plan that you all know, just to emphasize that the interventions and targets are very well defined, including for HCV, blood safety, injection safety with harm reduction, and of course, screening and access to treatment. So this is an epidemiological situation in France with a significant decrease this last 20 years of the prevalence and incidence of the infection. We are coming from 0.2% of the population with HCV antibodies in 1996. And today, in 1917, it's only 0.3% of the population who is infected by HCV. And you have the detail of the decreasing number of patients to treat in France, with now less than 80,000 patients to cure. This is a prioritization policy of treatment in France, first devoted to patients with extensive fibrosis and cirrhosis. In 2014-2015, then an extension of the treatment to those patients with high incidence, including HIV-infected population, and F2 patients with intermediate fibrosis. And finally, after March 2017, we have the opportunity to treat all the patients. So universal treatment after 2017 and universal access to the prescription for all the physicians, including GPs, in May 2019. Regarding the policy for the screening, there is no recommendation for universal screening, and so we are still limited to a targeted screening of patients with risk of contamination, of course, related to blood contamination by transfusion and also by compartment, high-risk compartment. And so this is the HCV cascade in France. And if we consider the numbers, be aware that they are rapidly evolving. And now it's not, of course, only around 20,000 of cured patients. We had cured with the interferon treatment around 120,000 patients. And now we have cured more than 90,000 patients in 2021. This is the detail for the period between January 2015 to December 2019. And you can observe here the peak in 2017 related to the opening of the treatment to any HIV-infected patients. And after that, a slight decrease because we have treated a lot of patients. And it's interesting to see that, for example, the HIV-infected population is constantly decreasing for access to treatment because we had this early access to the treatment, while in other high-risk population, for example, psychiatric disorders, prisoners, drug users, there is an increase in the access to the treatment after the opening for the universal treatment. And of course, after 2019, because COVID-19 infection, we have not observed the expected peak related to the universal prescription for any physician. So this is the situation of France. which is clearly on the track of HCV elimination. According to this modelization of the polar, so we are among, in France, the 11 countries among the 45 high-income countries who will be able to achieve the 2030 WHO HCV elimination. But you can observe that despite their high-income countries, it's not the case of all the countries. So just to conclude, HCV elimination is a public health challenge which need the support of the payers and of the governments, and France will be among the countries achieving the HCV elimination plan of WHO by 2030. Eliminations goes beyond the HCV elimination per se, with transformation of healthcare infrastructure. There are still some issues about the place of screening, the methods of screening, the access to care, especially in precarious population. And of course, one of the solutions is the addition of successful microelimination initiatives, which has been successful clearly in decompensated cirrhosis, in hepatocellular carcinoma, in hemophiliacs or renal failure population. And we have to translate the successful initiatives in other high-risk population like prisoners, migrants, and psychiatric patients. And by editing the microelimination success, we will achieve macroelimination. I thank you for your attention.